Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we nail the exact low on Friday, which as you know, the first Friday of every month, non-farm payrolls, aka the jobs report, and we nail the exact low in the morning session right after the report came out. And I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. Let's do it. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at DynoTrading. Hope you had a fantastic trading week. And yeah, it's official. October is in the books. The final quarter of 2019 is underway. And this year has just fucking flown by. Right? I mean, just think about it. I remember putting together an outline of what I think a good trading plan should be sometime Christmas or so of last year. I talk about staying disciplined, staying focused, staying motivated, staying hungry, and just like that, the whole fucking year goes by, right? You blink, and the year's over. What you're looking at on the screen right now, by the way, is a daily chart of the Dow futures, and it's really amusing to me, right? Everybody, all these so-called financial gurus and these market wizards and these television personalities, everybody was saying be prepared for the October sell-off, be prepared for the sell-off, this, that, and the other, right? And so check out how October started right here, and check out where October ended. Up 10%. 1 month. For anyone that does long-term investing, or if you have a 401k or whatever, you know that 10% in a month in a stock index is fucking outrageous, right? I mean, basically, if you tried to short the market in October, you got your face ripped off. And I've said this before on my channel many times. You know, the market's gonna do what you never, ever expect it to do, right? You can kind of see here the month of September, it was selling off, and people were thinking, all right, we're going to be testing 24,000 on the Dow, maybe even 22,000 in the Dow, which would place the Dow somewhere in this area right over here where this box is. And of course, what did the market do? It went in the complete opposite direction, doing the complete opposite of what everybody, people who get paid millions of dollars to predict the market, they got it all wrong, right? So hopefully, guys, the takeaway after watching this video is no different than the takeaway of watching any of my videos that I've done all year, all right? And that is, don't trade what you think is going to happen. Trade what is right in front of your face. All right, so if I jump over to, the T-bar chart, you guys know the T-bar chart. This is the smaller time frame chart. Okay, this is the chart that you really drill down on a microscopic level to cherry pick your entries and of course place very tight stops, right? You gotta have the two chart system. I know many of you guys are too lazy or you don't want to do the two chart system, but this is how it's supposed to be done. You gotta have the higher time frame chart, okay, telling you exact signals, right? You want to draw those highs, you want to draw those lows. That's where the smart money's waiting. And you want to have a smaller, what I call micro chart, to physically enter your potential trade, right? And now, while nothing about that is complicated or hard, I think there's a certain element of discipline that I think many traders lack, and that's why they fail, right? But anyway, so this green line here, right, this green stripe represents this green dyno bar here, all right? Don't forget, this is the dyno bars chart, okay? So all we're doing is we're waiting for the first green bar after any red bar. Now check this out, all right? This is something really interesting. The signal itself came at 8:45 from the night before, okay? Now the retracement, all right, this is the retracement bar right here. The retracement happened in the morning session. So when you get to your computer in the morning, all you need to do every day is just look back and see, what is the signal? What color is the bar? Is it green or is it red? And if it's green, guys, you are looking for longs. If it's red, guys, you're looking for shorts. Okay, I can't make it any more simplistic than that. All right, so what color do you see here? Well, it's green. what do? You draw your highs, draw your lows, you wait for the retracement. Okay? So if I jump back over to the T-bar chart, let's go ahead and draw our highs and draw our lows. This is the zone, guys. This is the smart money zone. This is the buying zone. This is where you're a buyer, however you want to call it, however you want to say it. Simple, easy, clean, and concise. Okay? So let's zoom in here. You guys know what's coming next, right? Let's zoom in here. You check out the times here, right? On the non-farm payrolls, don't forget the non-farm payrolls release happens at 7:30 a.m. Chicago time. But even if you didn't know that, right? Even if you had no fucking idea that there was a major economic news release happening at 7:30, even if all you did was simply draw your pivot points like this, okay? Connect those pivot points in this fashion like this, and if all you did was wait for a trend line break, whether it happened here, whether it happened here, wherever it happened, and place your stop there, I mean, look at this giant move just between 7:30 and 9 o'clock in the morning, right? And everything you see here in the T-bar chart is illustrated in this upward move right here, okay? I mean, that was really it, you know. And again, why am I showing this chart right here of the Dow daily? I hate daily charts. Why am I showing this to you? Well, I'm showing this to you to provide some context in that many traders, and I'm certain a good chunk of you guys watching this video are guilty of this, right? You always think that you're smarter than the market, and nobody is. Not me, not Goldman Sachs, not BlackRock, not Morgan Stanley. Nobody is smarter than the market, okay? There is not a single market wizard or quote-unquote market genius who would have predicted that the market would have been up 2,000 points in the month of October, right? Those people are complete morons. All they get paid to do is provide entertainment on TV. None of them are actually investors. None of them are traders. Does anybody here think Jim Cramer actually trades or invests? Fuck no. All the guy does is he comes on TV and he's got a show called Mad Money, and it's entertaining to watch and you get a good laugh out of it. It's not to be taken seriously, like any of these TV personalities. The best that you can do, in fact, all that you can do, is come to work every day prepared, right? Wait for these type of signals here, okay, where you're essentially being given a direction to potentially choose, right? You're a buyer. As long as this is green, you are a buyer, and you draw your trend lines like clockwork, like you're a robot, like you're a machine, okay? Guys, that's how you make massive profits trading the market. Month of October's in the books. We're basically heading towards the end of the year. If you didn't make any money trading on Friday, you need to do something different. If you didn't make any money all year, really think about this, okay? If you haven't made any money this year trading, you need to do something different. You need to do what the smart traders are doing. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, as you can see from the calendar here, trading year's pretty much done. You know, if you didn't make money in 2019, all you can really do now is sort of put together a nice trading plan for 2020. I talk to my customers all the time. If any of you guys, anybody, you want some help putting together a decent trading plan for 2020, guys, I am happy to do a one-on-one session with you, all right? No charge, no fee, no nothing. Just, I want to see traders succeed. I know that a huge majority of you guys probably struggled with your trading. Let's just be honest, right? There's a reason that 95% of traders fail. It's because you're trying to go short, right, when the market wants to rally. Traders are always doing the opposite. They're always selling in a rising market, and they're always buying in a falling market. You know, people laugh when I say that, but it's not really funny when I say this because I'm not trying to be funny. You gotta dumb down your trading. You just gotta dumb it down, you know? back to what I said at the beginning of the video. Nobody is smarter than the market. All you can do is wait for a trend to print, wait for the retracement, and try to get in on that trend and let the market do the heavy lifting for you. You can do that, guys. I can almost guarantee you that's how you're going to find success in 2020. Guys, thanks for watching this video. I got some really interesting software I'm going to be posting to my channel over the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. And as always, best trading wishes.